Hello students, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll be covering the major landforms of the earth. As we all know, there are various landforms on the earth. The physical structure of the earth is different everywhere. Somewhere we have mountains, somewhere we have plains, plateaus, islands, deserts. So in this topic, we'll be learning about mountains, plains and plateaus. So what do you mean by mountain? Mountain is a high landmass which is having peak or which is above from the land surface. Mountains differ in their shapes, in their heights or in their peak as well. There are some young mountains, there are some old mountains. Young mountains have the pointed peaks. Old mountains में इरोजन हो चुका होता है काफ़ी ईयर्स तक विंड की वजह से, वाटर की वजह से, तो उनकी थोड़ी सी राउंडेड टॉप होती है. तो दैट इज अबाउट माउंटेन. And there are different types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed because of volcanic activity. जब लावा फ्लो होता है, volcanoes erupt होते हैं, तो उसके बाद जब वो ठंडा हो जाता है तो उससे जो mountains create होते हैं. Block mountains are created when large masses of land are broken. जो land के बड़े बड़े टुकड़े टूटते हैं और vertically एक दूसरे के ऊपर displace करते हैं, तो that's how block mountains are formed. And fold mountains are formed due to the internal movements in the earth. Now let's come to plateau. Plateau is a large stretch of land which is above from the earth's surface. Mountains are also above from the earth's surface, but mountains have peak. But plateaus have flat surface above the earth's surface. So this is why they are also known as tableland. There are various plateaus. For example, in India we have Peninsular Plateau, which is divided into Deccan Plateau and Central Highlands. Plateaus' surface are not always plain. They might be rocky, rugged surface. So that's why building the railways, roads, canals are difficult on the plateau, and the plateau are very rich in mineral deposits. Now plains are the fertile flat land. They are the low lying surface. They are generally fertile land because they are formed by the deposits of the rivers. For example, northern plain of India, they are formed by the deposits of Ganga and its tributaries. So they are fertile. That's why they are thickly populated. Thickly populated means they are more populated. So this is all about it. Thanks for listening. I hope you all understand.